Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete image from ChatGPT library. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and click on the official website from the results. Once the homepage loads, access your account to continue. After logging in, locate the left side menu. From here, you can directly access the library section without navigating through multiple pages. Click on Library to view your stored content, including images and documents. Inside the library, select the type of content you want to manage, such as images. Browse through your files and find the image you want to delete. Click on the image to select it, then look for the delete option. Once you see the delete button, click on it and confirm your choice if prompted. This will permanently remove the image from your library. Repeat these steps for any additional items you want to remove, keeping your library clean and organized. So that's basically how you can delete image from ChatGPT library. That's it for this video. Thanks.